What's up, gas junkies? Well, this is where I've been over the last 5 weeks. It's been Salty Kisses 2.0 build, so hence why there hasn't been any video up. But here's some footage of and some photos and so forth of the build over the 4 weeks, and then I'll go through what we did. Yo! Day one, Salty Kisses has been stripped out of all its good gear, put back to bare bones. We'll put some normal switches in, put another steering wheel on there, put some normal seats on there, and make it a riverboat. Yo! Well, it's an early morning this morning, stage 2 of the SK2 build. Well, actually stage 3 now. SK2 has all of the mods done now, and been out getting aqua blasted yesterday. Wayno crawling all over the boat, getting it prepped up ready for paint. So that's where I'm heading now. It's currently 5 to 5. I'm off to Henderson to drop the boat off to get some jam. Ew! Well, we're on location. I'm just waiting for the bloke who's going to paint it to rock up, and we'll be leaving SK2 here. Ew! What's up, gas junkies? Well, we've made it through to the next stage. Like I was saying, the paint is finally going on. These boys here are making it happen. Whew, it's 36. We're fucking sitting here in the afternoon when most people have gone home, and have a look at that. We're starting to put some paint on Salty Kisses too. This is gonna be unreal, guys. I can't wait to bring you the end product. Until next time, speak soon. Ew! From the carpet in the anchor well down to the old chine extensions at the bottom down here, every different mod that we did on this boat was absolutely exceptional and worked to an absolute treat. The fender, the bow canvas, I suppose you'll call it, deflects the water off amazingly. If it wasn't for the Yamaha 4-stroke engine at the back just pounding us forward, there'd be no spray going through there at all. Yeah, it really pushes it away from the actual screen. Really happy with that. Of course, Salty Kisses 2.0, Paul down there at Red Earth Creations decaling the boat up, so pretty happy with that. All of the modifications and so forth, sandblasting, painting and so on, you can speak to Wayno at Neptune Solutions, and he'll be able to manage whatever builds, modifications, right through to the end of the whole project for you. But yeah, don't hesitate to get in contact with him. I'll put the email in the link. Ew. We had a look at the trailer. The beams going across are pretty good. We put a new axle, new springs, new hubs. I've still got to put the new rollers on. That's the Yami. Did a full service on that, and you'll all remember the crucifix ladder from Salty Kisses 1. So that's made its way across to Salty Kisses 2.0. We put the roof on as well. That was a new addition. The other thing we did was, when you come up the ladder, we opened up that well. Yeah, so then when you come up and over and you've got dive gear on and so forth, it's a little bit easier. Now we put new carpet right through it. All new electrics went into it. As you know, I'm a no-take boat, so we punched out the fishing rod holders and we turned them into cup holders, which is pretty cool. 2 tank holders at the moment either side. We'll see. I want to put another bar in, maybe another 2, but we'll see how we go. The podiums down the bottom there, we had to take 100mm off them just to make the suspension seats sit in there a little bit better. So these are the suspension seats, and fully adjustable there over the side, so to whatever weight you've got. This is the best thing ever. Took all the shock out of it. Was really great. The dash was only half originally, so about here, so we extended that right across. Glove box in, switch panel in, all the stuff up there, plenty of room up on the dash for all your stuff. And yeah, so I'm going to run a couple of vids before this video all finishes of when we're actually out there. On the first day we took it out at Rottnest. I've been really stoked with it. I've been out twice currently, and the second time when I came back, we're doing like 17, 18 knots with the south-southwester that was like 18, 19 knots with a 1 meter swell. So it was pretty messy out there, but yeah, it was like, I didn't even once get a jar altering slap on the water from it. So absolutely really stoked, couldn't be any happier. Yeah, like I said, if you want to get any sort of aluminium modifications or stainless modifications or any sort of welding or anything like that, or you've got some sort of idea that you want to get done, painting, water blasting, sand blasting, yeah, any sort of modifications like boats or whatever it may be in building and so forth, don't hesitate to contact Wayno at Neptune Solutions, and let him manage your next project that you want to make happen. Other than that, guys, check out these couple of last videos, and I'll be seeing you soon. Yo! Sea trials, 18 knots, heading to Rotto. Fucking absolutely awesome. Hydraulic seats are doing their job. Check those babies out. Game on, let's go!